Hi, it's Jason. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm working on 2008 Chevy Silverado. I'll be showing you how to get the coolant reservoir out, plus how to fill it. So I hope this video helps you. Let's get into it. So here's my truck right here. Here's these stinking coolant reservoirs. So what we're going to need to do is get this bar off right here over the battery. Bolt right there. There's another bolt down there. This will come off. We are going to need to get this coolant hose off right here, and then we're going to need to get this cover off to access this bus bar on the battery. It's kind of hard to do one-handed. All right, you're going to need to get these nuts off, unplug all these connectors, these two nuts off, and these two connectors off, the power off, and the negative off, because we're going to need to remove this battery right here. Okay, now I got the power off, get the negative off. Just get these guys out of your way. We're going to need to take this off of the top of the reservoir, and this cap right here is left-handed threads. So when you release this, if you have pressure in it, please be careful. Alright. Coming over here, we're also going to need to disconnect the positive to the passenger side battery as well. So get that disconnected, also set out of the way so it don't touch. And then we'll come back over to this battery. What we're going to do is get this bus bar out of the way so we get the battery out. Okay, to get this bus bar up, you're going to insert a screwdriver into these little tabs right there. And you're going to pry back, and it'll release the battery right there. Pull this back. What I like to do, I got these little bungees. I like to just bungee it back so this stays out of my way. We'll take the battery hold down out also down there, right there. And in this battery, you will literally have to pull this side straight up, and it'll come out. So can't do that one-handed, so let me get this battery out. Okay, now I got this battery out the way. Down here, there's a 10mm bolt right there, and then this coolant sensor. We're gonna unplug this thing. See, these things have two reservoirs, so the reason your low coolant light comes on is this second reservoir right here. I don't know why, from the factory they never come filled at all. So yeah, let's get these bolts out. Let's get this bolt out. Let's take this hose clamp off to the reservoir, and then I'll show you what's going on next. Okay, I got it out, and as you can see right here, there is the lower reservoir right there. So to fill this thing up without taking out the reservoir, inside there, this little tiny hole right here, what you got to do is open this cap on the side all the way right here, and you will literally pour coolant into that little hole right there until this bottom reservoir fills all the way up. If not, you will have that low coolant message on your instrument panel cluster. But if you're putting a new one in, what I recommend is right here. You can see it in there. There's a hole. Fill this thing up first, put your cap back on, and then you'll be good to go. So let me get this filled, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I got it filled. As you can see down here, that's it, you know. And guess what? This does not go anywhere and do anything to spill out. Another GM engineering marvel. So yeah, after you get this done, reinstall it. Just fill it up through here regularly, and then Put your battery back in, connect everything back in, and you should be good to go. Like I said, this will take care of that low coolant light. It just won't go off. It's because of that sensor in there has been dry for so long. That's just how it is. So hope this video helped you. Please click that like button, subscribe down below, and I'll catch you guys next time. Till then, have a good day.